Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel like this might be crooked because welcome back to my dysfunction, because I'm never fully prepared when I film a video, especially right now because it's fucking 9 o'clock at night and this is not my filming time, this is my sleeping time. I just got home from work, that's why I look like this, like I just got beat to death, because I fucking did. So if you're new here, my name is KP, and if you're not, hey girl, how you doing? So today I just got home, got this in the mail, and I honestly cannot wait to look at this. So I'm so excited. I missed the first two launches of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, and I'm pretty excited that I get to open this for you guys today with no energy and looking like shit, because I can't wait and I'm gonna fucking open it. Like, I have to open it. So we gonna open it together, girl. Let's get in here. I already cut the seal. Okay. Ooh, I seen some stuff. Seen some yellow paper. All right, we got our paper. Ooh. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. So this is the deluxe supreme, whatever, the big one, the big mystery box. It was $70. It has 10 items in here, and we're gonna go through them one by one and talk about them real quick, because I got to know. She got to know. Okay. So the first thing that is jumping out at me, I'm just gonna put it in my lap, is this packaging, and guess what it is? It's the question mark liquid lipstick. If you don't know anything about this launch, he did, in the two larger size boxes, he did a exclusive liquid lipstick named question mark, and he only put it out for these boxes. And he will never make it again. So, oh my god, it's so beautiful. So if you didn't, doesn't smell like anything. If you didn't get those boxes, then it doesn't clicky seal. Okay. But looks like this, very pretty. Love it. Moving on, because I'm trying to like bust this one out because I'm fucking tired. Okay, I am tired. I want to go to bed. I have to go back to work early in the morning. Wipe the lipstick off my hand because I'm tired. So anyway, moving on. It's a bunch of lipsticks, it looks like, this time. This is the shade Celebrity Skin, which I already have this one, but I wear it like constantly, so I'm totally fine with having a backup. It looks like this. What? Okay. Okay, maybe I wasn't twisting hard enough for my clicky seal. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen Celebrity Skin, it looks like that. It is beautiful. It's one of my absolute favorite shades from Jeffree Star. So I actually really like that I got that duplicate, because I will wear that, because I wear it all the time. I've been through like 6 tubes so far in life, so I'm gonna put that one back in the box so I know which one is my new one and which one is my old one and which one is my real old crusty one that I use for eyeliner. Moving on. All right, we got this one, which is from the Star Collection in the shade Diva. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be hot pink. Let's take a look. Ooh, gosh. That is so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love it. Oh my god. Okay, let's watch one over here. Ooh. Is there some little shimmers in there, or am I crazy? Maybe crazy, but that's really pretty. I love a good hot pink moment. So I feel like I'm blazing through this video, but I'm just gonna have to, girl, because I'm tired. Look up another lipstick. It's the shade Poinsettia. I think I actually did get this one. It was a Christmas shade a couple years ago, and it is beautiful. Beautiful. But I mean, oh my god, I couldn't open it. Holy shit, that seal don't play. So it's clearly in new, like, regular Jeffree Star packaging, not the white that it came in before. And clearly they don't have that one anymore because it's old. Like, it's gross now. It's like 3 years old. But it looks like this. It is like a red, can you see? With like a metallic shift. Can you even tell in the lighting? Not really. Whatever, it's pretty. Pretty excited about all of these so far. Like, I haven't gotten anything that I was like bummed out that I got. Ooh, very excited for my Jeffree straw. Aww. You guys know that I use reusable straws all the time. You guys always see my big yellow like silicone straw, and then I just have a regular like metal. I buy metal straws for the house because I like straws, and I'm pretty excited about that. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know they came individually, but I am here for it. She likes it. She's just tired and doesn't seem like she's super into it. Okay, and I also got a pop socket, which I already have a Jeffree Star pop socket because one of you guys sent me yours, but I do like this. It's orange. It's pretty. I really wish it would have been like this color. I would have been more stoked, but I do like it. I like pop sockets. All right, what else do I have here? Oh, cute. It's a velour lip scrub. I've actually never owned one of these from Jeffree. This is the shade Rainbow Sorbet or Sherbet. Let's see how it. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Let's have. Oh fuck. Oh my god, this smells like I want to eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Oh. I'm gonna just eat this. I need to just put it away, girl, because I'm gonna eat it. It's fuck. Oh my god. Wow, I have been sleeping on these. Huh. Love that. That's really cool. What else have I got here in this bag? We have a Jeffree Star lip liner. I have never used one of these either. I've never bought one. I've never touched one. Don't know anything about it. So, oh my god. I can't get it out of the box. I always open it from the bottom because I don't want to tear up the sticker, even though I throw the boxes away because I'm a psycho. Packaging is weird. I'm not a huge fan. Like, it's cute. Like, she's cute, but like, it's just super extra. So the shade Doll Parts, I'm actually have that. It's like a very muted, like pink color, like that. I would wear this. Yes, girl. I like it. I'm a fan. A fan. So, if you guys are enjoying this video, it's going to be a short one, like I said. But I will do a full review on all this stuff on my Wednesday video when I do a full KP reviews, because I think you guys would really like that if I like actually sat down and reviewed everything. Right now I'm just showing it to you. Ooh, I'm excited about this too. This is a Supreme Frost. I also don't own any of these. Really exciting. This is the shade Money Honey. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch it. Look how beautiful it is. Like, oh my god, I don't want to fuck it up. I'm gonna pee in my pants. Oh my god. Okay. Switch it right. I'm gonna throw up. I love it so much. Oh. I'm gonna vomit. I'm gonna put it on my face real quick though. I know, I'm like, I'm not gonna review it. It's gonna be a short video, but I'm like, let me put this all over my body. Bitch. No fucking way is this that good. Ooh, another thing I've been sleeping on. Cause I'm like, you know, I just really like his Skin Frost. I don't think it gets better than those. Oh my god. Well, you know how I feel about that one. Clear. Oh, I will actually throw up. Look how beautiful that is. I can't even deal. One review ruined. You know I fucking like that. Alright, so now we're down to our last item. I really feel like I blazed through this, but it's mostly because I really wanted to see what I got, because I was really inclined to bitch, okay? The last item I got is a Jeffree Star t-shirt, which is actually pretty cool because I've always really liked his merch, but I never really bought it because I don't really shop for clothes because I'm lazy. Is it just sitting in this bag? I can't just open it. I gotta tear it. Okay. I don't like doing that. I don't have a good reason. So it looks like, oh, it's from the summer collection. It's got our bright colored star, and on the back it says, "Hi, how are you?" I will actually wear the shit out of this, honestly. I got this size small, if anybody's wondering. It looks like it'll fit. Like, this will fit fine as a t-shirt, you know. And I really like this. I would actually wear this. So, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this Makeup Monday. Really short and sweet 10-minute video of what was inside my Jeffree Star mystery box. If you would like to, you should go ahead. You should just do it. You should just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and like this video, because do you know the dedication it took for me to sit here and make this fucking video when I still have to take a shower, go to sleep, and then get up at 4 o'clock in the morning? Okay? Okay. So, If you would like to follow me on all my other social media accounts, you can follow me at GrungeXGlitterX on Instagram, and you can follow me at Grunge and Glitter. I don't know where I'm going with it. You can follow me at GrungeXGlitter on Twitter and Snapchat, and Grunge and Glitter -KP on Facebook. I love you guys so much. A bitch is going to bed. Bye.